There I go again. Good morning. Welcome to Wednesday. It's an interesting Wednesday. It's really overcast and like pea soupy. But it's not that cold. And it's actually supposed to be like almost 80 today. I'm not looking forward to that. But that's why I didn't wear my jacket this morning, so. Yeah, so the end of that video was totally bloomed out. I don't know why. Probably because I started inside and I went outside, but the mic seems to be working good. I'm enjoying it. So it's actually got, stereo left and right. So I should be, I'm going to try and experiment with that and do some fun stuff later on. We will see. Good afternoon. Here is the first test of being outside in the wind. So we'll see how that goes. Try and unlock here. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright, finally home. Hanging out with the kitties a little more. Now it is time to do day 2 of the 100 push-up challenge. I have to check the website. Bless you. Spike just sneezed. Oh man. Oh, if it was Toby Turner's video, then he could bless her face. And yeah, anyway, no one gets that joke except for a couple people that get that joke. Gotta go do my push-ups, and I'm in pain already just thinking about it. Lifting my 30-pound backpack. Wow, yeah. So I'll get back to you tomorrow on how that went. Have a good Wednesday. See you Thursday.